Home remedies for thicker hair. It's a dream of every person to get thicker hair, shiny and healthy hair. So many of us neglect taking care of our hair, which results in damage, rough and dry hair. You just need to follow some natural home remedies to get thicker hair. No need to go to parlors and waste your money on chemical-based products which can damage your hair in a lot of ways. Thicker and healthier hair adds a lot of beauty to our appearance. We look more beautiful in the eyes of others if we have great hair. The people with healthy hair gets a lot of compliment as hair are an attractive part of our appearance. The people who have thinner hair faces a lot of problems, they end up having more split ends and hair damage. Thinner hair breaks easily as well. The notable causes of thinner hair are deficiency of nutrition and minerals, age factor, genetics, allergies to chemical, excessive use of chemical products. Unhealthy diet is also another cause of thinner hair. Hormonal imbalance, an improper hair routine. No need to worry if you have thinner hair because we have got some natural home remedies for you which can make your hair thicker and healthier. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is one of the best home remedies for the treatment of thinner hair. It contains a lot of fatty acids and vitamin E which helps prevent the damage. It improves our hair as well. It has anti-inflammatory properties which reduces dandruff. It handles dryness of our hair. Coconut oil polishes our hair too. It acts as a barrier. It also protects our hair from ultraviolet radiations. How to use. Massage coconut oil on your hair for 5 minutes. Leave coconut oil on your hair for overnight. Wash your hair with plain water. Repeat these steps twice a week for thicker hair. Avocado. Avocado is another best home remedy for the treatment of thinner hair. Avocado can be used in oil form. Avocado contains a lot of biotin, amino acids and omega-3 fatty acids which are very best for our hair. Such properties promote hair growth. Avocado nourishes and strengthens our hair. Avocado is rich in antioxidants as well, which is the best to remove dead skin cells from our hair and produces new skin cells. Avocado is a very natural moisturizer for our hair which makes our hair more refreshing. How to use. Massage your hair with avocado oil. Leave the avocado oil on your hair for 1 hour. Wash your hair with a chemical-free shampoo. Repeat this process twice a week for best hair. You can also mix avocado with coconut oil for better results, as coconut oil is also great for the treatment of thinner hair. Eggs. Eggs are very rich in proteins. Egg prevents hair loss and it protects our hair from damage. It strengthens our hair and reduces dandruff as well. Eggs adds a natural shine to our hair as well. Eggs makes our hair stronger and unbreakable. Eggs give our hair a luxurious look which everyone adores. Eating eggs regularly also helps our hair to grow thicker, as eggs contains a lot of phosphorus, zinc and iodine. Protein treatment is very essential for our hair. How to use. Beat an egg in a bowl. Add some yogurt and mix it well. You can also add coconut oil to the mixture to prevent egg smell. Apply this mask to your hair for 30 minutes. Wash your hair with a non-chemical shampoo. Repeat these steps twice a week for nourished hair. Aloe vera. Aloe vera contains a huge amount of vitamin E. Aloe vera is another best way to get thicker hair. Aloe vera has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties which protects our hair from ultraviolet radiations which can damage our hair. Aloe vera is a natural conditioner, which conditions and nourishes our hair. Aloe vera gives a nourishing look to our hair which gives a smooth effect. How to use. Take aloe vera leaf and extract its gel. Apply the gel to your hair for 45 minutes. Wash your hair with a non-chemical shampoo. Repeat these steps twice or thrice a week for best results. You can also add mustard oil or coconut oil to the gel and apply it to your hair for thicker and polished hair. Castor oil. Castor oil is rich in fatty acids and vitamin E. Vitamin E is best for hair purposes. Castor oil softens our hair and gives an enhanced look to our hair. It gives a long-lasting effect on our hair. Castor oil makes our hair look healthier and thicker. Castor oil is very beneficial for our hair. How to use. Massage castor oil on your scalp for 4 to 5 minutes. Leave castor oil on your hair for overnight. Wash your hair in the morning. Repeat these steps daily for thicker and nourished hair. You can also mix olive oil with castor oil. Pro tips. Drink a lot of water. Stay hydrated. Do not brush your hair when they are wet, that will cause a lot of hair loss. Brush your hair at least twice a day. Do not let your hair get tangled. Avoid using straightener or curler on daily basis. Heat can damage your hair a lot and make them thinner. Avoid making tight ponytails. Do not let your hair sweat. Avoid letting your hair get dirty. Wash your hair with a non-chemical shampoo. Such shampoos harm our hair. Stay away from chemicals. Do not dry your hair with the help of a dryer. Let them dry naturally or dry them with a towel. Follow a healthy diet. Eat a lot of proteins. Get rid of lice or nits from your hair. Lice can be very damaging for our hair. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.